The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is a game-changer for anyone looking to unlock their machine's true potential. Imagine being able to run complex AI models like 200 billion layer neural networks on your desktop computer without breaking the bank. That's what you get with the Ascent GX10 AI, an affordable powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding AI tasks with ease. And let me tell you, it's a total deal-breaker for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. This thing is like a supercomputer in a tiny form factor, making it perfect for developers, researchers, and data scientists who need raw processing power without the hefty price tag. The Ascent GX10 AI is powered by the NVIDIA GB10 Superchip, which delivers an impressive 1 petaFLOP of AI performance. That's like running thousands of high-performance GPUs in parallel. But what really sets this thing apart is its developer-optimized platform. It's designed specifically for AI developers who want to build secure, long-running agentic workflows that can handle sensitive data and complex computations without compromising on performance. And the best part? It's compatible with popular frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw, making it a breeze to integrate into your existing workflow. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this thing perform? Well, let me tell you, its advanced thermal design ensures sustained high performance and reliability in an ultra-small form factor. It's like having a mini supercomputer that won't heat up your entire room. But the real magic happens when you stack two Ascent GX10 AI units together using NVIDIA NVLink C2C and ConnectX 7 networking. Suddenly, you've got a dual GPU setup that can handle even the most demanding AI tasks with ease. It's like having an entire supercomputer at your fingertips. And don't even get me started on the full-stack AI solution provided by the GB10 and NVIDIA AI software stack. It's like having all the tools you need to build, deploy, and optimize your AI models right out of the box. You can say goodbye to days spent tweaking code and hello to breakthroughs in local AI. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is not just a device. It's a key to unlocking your full potential as an AI developer or researcher. And with its unbeatable price point, it's like scoring a steal on the most powerful machine you'll ever own. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below and experience the power of the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI for yourself. Your next AI breakthrough is just a click away.